Hi everyone, in this tutorial today we're going to be making a lark's head knot and a reverse lark's head knot. Take a piece of cord, place the two ends together so that we can then find the centre at the opposite end. Then taking the ring, we are then going to place the cord through the ring and we're going to pull it through the back. Then we are going to make a loop, and through the loop we are going to pull the cord. Then we can tighten that up and that will secure the cord onto the ring. To make our reverse lark's head knot, take another piece of cord, match the ends up together so that we find the centerpiece of the cord. Take the ring and we're going to push the cord up through the back of the ring and pull that forward. Then we're going to separate the cord to make a loop to allow us to pull the other piece of cord through. Then we can secure that on to our ring. And there we can see we have two different types of lark's head knot. We have the first one and we have the one in reverse. Hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching. See you again soon.